Hey guys, how are you doing? If you are planning to take 48 megapixel photos on your iPhone rear wide angle lens, which has the 48 megapixel sensor, then you have to follow some simple settings change to get that 48 megapixel output with each photos that you capture. By default, to save the storage space on your iPhone for each photos captured, normally Apple does the processing with smart HDR, and some computational photography also takes place with each last year's iPhone models. So you get a best colorful output, which is also lesser in size overall. But since iPhone 14 Pro and above models, we have that 48 megapixel sensor, and Apple kind of keeps it a manual settings change requirement in order to use that to capture the 48 megapixel photos. Not everyone is going to need those high resolution photos that could also come in bigger file size. So I will suggest few tips that will help you to capture the high resolution photos in lesser file size if you want to capture such 48 megapixel photos on your iPhone using your iPhone camera, the rear wide angle lens. Navigate inside the settings app and then to the camera section. Then navigate inside the formats, and at the first option, the high efficiency uses HEIF format for the photos and HEVC for the videos if you're recording. So all the camera captures, the photos and videos, if you change the settings, will be taking effect. So the photos and videos will be captured in such format and will be saved in such format on your device. So I select most compatible to save some space so that the size will be reduced a lot. It will be saved in JPEG format for photos, and for videos it will be MP4 file format. The very important thing is turn on the resolution control in this format settings. So when we open the camera app, we now see the option at the top left corner to select the resolution of the camera lens that we are about to capture the picture with. Select 48 megapixel. So as I have selected JPEG, it is now showing the 24 megapixel or 48 megapixel option. If you are using HEIF, the high efficiency format, you will see the 48 megapixel format or the HEIF max option. The very important thing is when you capture the photo in aspect ratios like 16:9 or 1:1, it will be capturing and saving the processed photo in 36 megapixel photos with more like a 4K or a little bit higher resolution. So here you can see both the 1:1 aspect ratio and the 16:9 photos are showing in the EXIF metadata when you swipe up the photo within the Photos app as 36 MB. When I set it to 4:3, now the 48 megapixel lens takes effect. The 48 megapixel lens cannot be used for all the aspect ratios, and if you try to use the ultra wide angle lens which has the 12 megapixel in your iPhone and the telephoto lens which has the 12 megapixel in your iPhone means, then the 0.5 or the zoom, custom zoom, the digital zoom or OIS immediately disables that 48 megapixel photos being captured. This is for iPhone 17 model. If you're using the Pro variant, then you can capture the raw photo in 48 megapixel. Then further, you can see a great detail, adjust the colors, and do more with the photos that you normally capture. And don't forget to check out our recent app, Spensio, which allows you to track your expenses for free, and you can track your subscriptions and loans, EMIs, dues, everything in this app and receive proper notifications, early reminders before the renewal happens. The app has limited free additions for both subscriptions and loans. You can check that out, and if you find it useful, you can go for the in-app purchase, which is absolutely affordable. And I'm continuously working on improving the app, listening to users' feedback. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share this video if you find it useful, and do subscribe for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. Thank you and have a wonderful day.